This is another catch-up video. Oh, okay, I've not had that one before. Oh, Fortune, nice. And what's that say? Be more, is that a scent, assert? I can't read the text on it properly. I don't know what that says. It looks like three S's and an IT to me. But yeah, you've got them. And I've got my glasses on as well, so I don't know. I just can't read what that says. Be more something. We've got this lovely lace. I've got a stencil like this, I'm sure of it. I'll have to have a look. We've got lots of greens, a bit pink, dark pink, purple, a lovely light pink, black and white, and this peachy colour as well. We've got face, we've got hand, and we've got plant. Okay, and that's what we're going to be working with. So these are my cards that I've picked out, shuffled and picked out, so we will start with them. I'm back, guys. What I've done is I've got out my, let me see, gouache paints, reactivated them, so they're a bit dry, but you can do that. And on one side in a, supposed to be that colour, in that side, and then the dark blue in that side. I thought I'd do a double page spread because I'm getting right to the end of this book now. A few more pages, I'm done with this book. I've laid the dark background because I took the idea from this card with them sort of colours in it. There's a dark blue and there's a lightish, that colour. I'm really loving this card actually. It's very inspiring, that card. But I was very naughty yesterday. I had some Subway and they gave me some serviettes and I like the design on it. So I kept one of them. I thought that's going into something. So that's what they're like. I'm going to try not to, I'm going to cut that because they were folded but they're very thin and I don't want it tearing. I do want that pattern and I don't want that Subway bit anyway. But I'm thinking about laying a bit of that down and I'm not sure if I can open my glue pot today. I want that arrow. I know I could get some water and go round them carefully, I know, with a paintbrush. I've done it before many times, but I'm just, as I've got the scissors in my hand, why not? I'll just cut it. Get down this little one first. Put that down. And then just very lightly on the top. Right, let's have some music on. putting the stuff on. So I've got some glue out. I've made these light bulbs up. Now where's my inky thing? I've made these light bulbs, watercolour these. Just gonna go round, stuck the bases on, and then I stuck the element on, and I put a butterfly, not die cutted, I've hand cut out a butterfly. I've got one of these pens, so maybe I'll just do him a little mouthy. Yeah, I want him happy. I know he looks a bit different, but there he is, look. He can be happy. Yeah, he's a cute in with the vintage, and the other one's wearing the hat.